Okay, good morning everyone. Let us start the second lesson of module 2, that is percent greater than 100% and less than 1%. It means if the number greater than 100% means that the number that I am comparing with 100 will be greater than 100, will be greater than 100. And percentage less than 1% means that the number that I am comparing with 100, it will be less than 1. Less than 1 यानी like 0.5, 0.25, 0.75 like this. And greater than 100 means 110, 112, 140 like this. Okay, let us start with percent greater than 100. Let us see this example. He said percent are greater than 100% when the number being compared to 100 is greater than 100. Very simple. Greater than 100 means the number that I am comparing should be greater than 100. Let us understand it with the help of the grid example here. Okay. Now in this grid, check, there are two grids, correct? Both the grids are 10 by 10. This is also 10 by 10. This is also 10 by 10. Yani I have total 100 boxes here and I have total 100 boxes here. Now check, out of 100, how many are colored? In the first grade, all the 100 are colored, correct? In the second grade, how many are colored? Check. Here 10, here 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here 25 are colored, correct? So you can say 100 plus 25 will give me how much? 125. Okay, so this will become 125 compared with 100, correct? Which means equals to 125%. Please do not divide it by 200. Some students will think, okay, here I have 100 boxes, here I have 100 boxes. So Mr. Why are you not dividing by 200? Let me explain it one time here. You have to find the percentage individually, okay? Let me just show you here. Okay, now see. First you find the percent for this one, first one. Here how many boxes are filled? 100 out of 100. Now Taksim 100 means percent, so this will become 100%, right? 100% means all the boxes are filled. In the second one, 25 are filled out of 100, correct? So it means this is 25%, okay? Now when I join the 100% with the 25%, this will become 100% plus 25%, yani 100, sorry. Yani 125%, okay? 125%. I hope you understood. Let us take an example here. Now, there are two 10 by 10 grids here, right? And he wants us to represent them in the form of percent. We will solve one grid at each time. Grid number 1. Grid number 1. Here how many boxes? Again 100 boxes. You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 by 10 grid, right? Yani 100 boxes. All the 100 boxes are colored with yellow. So I will say 100 out of 100. Yani this is 100%, correct? And here check, 10 like this, 10, 20, see this 10, 20, here I have 30, then 31, 32. So here 32 out of 100 boxes are filled with yellow color. Yani this is 32%. So total how much? 100% plus 32% equals 132%. Okay, so this grid represent 132%, which is greater than 100%, right? So I hope you understood. Let us move to the next question. Okay, here let's read. At the birth, a male baby giraffe stands almost 6 feet tall. Okay, so when a giraffe baby is born, his height is approximately 6 feet. Okay, now at the 4 year of age, it means after 4 years, the male giraffe will be about 3 times as tall as he was at the birth. Okay, so it means like at the time of birth, his height was how much? 6 feet, correct? And at the time of 4 years, his height will be how much? 3 times. So 3 times यानी 3 times 6 यानी 18 feet, right? So he said, write a percent that compares the giraffe height at 4-year age to its height at birth. So remember, we have to compare what? 4-year to the height at the birth. Whatever comes first will go up. So 4-year will go up. And whatever comes second after the 2, to its what? To height at birth. So the height at the birth will come down. At the 4-year age, his height was 18, and at the time of birth, his height was 6. Now see, think carefully. We have to simplify this. Simplify यानी, do you know any table, any number in which both 6 and 18 are there? So yes, the answer is in the table of 6. So if I divide both the number with 6, I will get 18 divided 6, 3, and 6 divided 6, 1. Correct? Yani 3 times. Correct or no? Now, he said represent it, draw this in the 10 by 10 grids shown here. Now, whenever we are filling the grids, down here I should have 100, because percent means if you want to show something in percent, it means divided by 100. Yani down the number should be 100, right? So just tell me, how can I change the 1 into 100? Down I don't need 1 in the denominator. In the downside denominator I do not need 1, I need 100. How can I change it into 100? If I do multiply 100, the 1 will become 100. Yes or no? Correct? So whatever you did here, do it with the numerator, the upper side also. It will become how much? 300, right? So simply there are 3 grids here, correct? Yes, and we need 300 boxes. Yes, each grid has 100, 100 and 100 boxes. Yes, so we have to fill all the grids. Yani I will fill this grid completely. Okay, full, and then this also full. Okay, and this also full. We will fill all the 300 boxes with the color. Why? Because he said we need all the 300 boxes here, right? 300 over 100 means 300%. 3 over 100 here means 300%. Yani I have to fill all the 300 boxes. Okay, I hope you understood. Let us move to the next part. Now we have percent under 1%. Under 1% means it should be less than 1%. Now let us try to understand it here. This is a grid of 10 by 10, correct? Yani we have 100 boxes here, correct? So 100 boxes is equal to 100%. Yes. So it means one box is equal to 1%, correct? So check here. This box, they have enlarged it here. Now in this box, some of the boxes are not filled, correct? If you will count it carefully, you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes are not colored, rest of the 93 are colored. So in out of 1 also, if this one represent 100, if this one box represent 100, out of this only 93 are filled, which means check how many zeros here, 2 zeros, correct? So write the 93 and after 2 number put the decimal. Yani out of this 1% only 0.93 is filled. So in totality what will I say? 0.93 boxes are filled out of total how many boxes? 100 boxes. Let me explain it again. Okay, there are total 100 boxes, yes or no? So okay, total 100 boxes. Out of 100 boxes, we do not even have one complete box. This one box is also divided into 100 parts, and out of 100 parts only 93 are filled. So I will say 93 part out of 100 of a box are filled, which means 0.93 of a box is filled out of the total 100 boxes. So this will become 0.93%. Check here, 0.93% means 0.93 box is filled out of 100 box. This 0.93 means less than 1. Less than 1. Okay, let us do an example and try to understand it. Okay, see. Again, in this grid, this is a 10 by 10 grid, which means I have total 100 boxes, right? Okay. Now, out of the 100 boxes, see, this one box is filled, and this one box is also not completely filled. Some part of it is filled and some part is not filled. We magnified it here, made it bigger here, and if I see it carefully, the box is divided into 4 parts. Check here, 4 parts, correct? Out of 4, 3 are filled, correct? And 1 is not filled. So I can say 3 out of the 4 part of a box is filled, and total how many boxes are there here? Which, okay, let me explain again. This 3 out of 4 means that this box here, this is how much? 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 yani 0.75. Okay, 0.75. Out of total how many boxes? Total 100 boxes, correct? So 3 over 4 out of 100. We will write it like this. Now 3 out of 4 yani 0.75 out of 100. Now this out of 100, Taksim 100 means percent. So this will become 0.75%. Okay, how did I get 3? How did I change the 3 over 4 into 0.75? I simply did Taksim. Check please. Inside I need a bigger number, but 3 bigger or equal. 3 is smaller than 4, I cannot divide. So I will put a decimal in the answer, the quotient. The decimal gives you the power to put a 0 here. Okay, now we don't have 30 in the table of 4. So which number is close to 30 in the table of 4? 28. 4 times 7, 28. Do minus. 30 minus 28, 2. Again, the 2 is smaller than 4. I have the point. Point gives me the power to write a 0 again. So 4 times how much give me 20? 4 times 5 gives me 20. Do minus, you get 0. So the answer is 0.75. That's why I write here 0.75. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Next question. Let's see. The Freedom Tower is 1776 feet tall. As Freeman student, Mr. Freeman's students are building a replica of the tower for a class project that will stand at a 4.4 feet tall. Okay, now see, there is a Freedom Tower. The actual height of the tower is 1776. Now there are some boys who are making a class project and a smaller version of this tower. The height of their tower is 4.44 feet. Okay, now they're asking us to write it in the percent form and compare the height of the replica to the height of the actual tower. So see, replica is coming first, so replica will go up. Replica will go up. The actual is coming badin, so actual height will come down. So replica is 1770, sorry. The replica is 4.44 and the actual height is 1776, correct? Now we have to fill this inside the grid, but whenever you want to fill something inside the grid, it should be in the percentage form. It should be in the percentage form. Okay, now if you want to convert any number into percentage, you have to multiply it by 100. Okay, 4.44 multiply 100 will give you 444 divided by 1776. Okay, now no, just wait, let me tell you in a different way, because this conversion will come बाद and I don't want anyone to get confused. Okay, see, this is 4.44 out of 1776. Okay, we want to remove this decimal. How will I do this? After decimal, how many number do you see? Only two numbers, right? So simply, if you will put two zeros down, you can remove this decimal. So this will become 444 over 1776 times 100. Okay, now check. 444 times 4 will give you 776. Check. 444 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 6 here, 1 up. 4 times 4, 16. 16 and 1, 17. So 7 here, again 1 up. 4 times 4, 16. 16 and 1, 17. So check. I can do taqseems. 444 times 1, 444 times 4. Correct? Now, 1 taqseem 4. 1 taqseem 4. 1 taqseem 4. Put the point, get the 0 here, 4 times 2, 8 here, do minus 2 here, you have the point, put the 0 here, 4 times 5, 20 here, 0. So, and 1 taqseem 4 is equal to how much? 0.25. So, here I can write 0.25 over how much? Over 100. Why did I do taqseem 1? Why did I do 1 taqseem 4? Because see, whenever you want to fill the grid, I told you down I should have 100. Now check, down I have 100 only, and up I have how much? 0.25. 0.25, or I can say 1 over 4. So it means this is less than 1%, correct or no? So I will take this box here. Let me make it bigger. Okay, I will divide the box into 4 parts. Okay, this represent the 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. Out of 4, how many do I have to fill? Only 1. So I will color only 1 part, and that will be my answer. So if here, if I want to show it, I will color only 1 part, and this is my answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Let us move to the next part. Okay, this lesson is over. Let me just give you a small review of this question again. Okay, see, what did we do here? We have the replica was 4.44 and the actual was 1776, correct? Now simply I don't want the decimal, so I checked after decimal 2 numbers, I put 2 zeros down. Now I want only 100 down, correct? I don't want anything down, because if I have compare by 100, I can simply change it to percentage. So I did taqseem here, this become 1 over 4, correct? I can also write it like this, 1 over 4 over 100. Now 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25, correct? Yani if I divide this 0.25, yani I can say 0.25%, or I can also say 1 over 4%. Now what do I have to do? This is less than 1%, yani I will take one box, I will divide it into how many parts? Check the number down. It has 4, so I divide it into 4 parts. Then how many boxes will be colored? Check the number which is up, numerator, only 1. So I colored only 1 box. So this will be the answer. So I took here 1 part and I colored it. Khalas? So this is the answer. I hope you understood. Practice the question from the books now. And if you have any problem, you can ask me inside the classroom. Thank you and goodbye.